Hey, what's up guys, it's Pretty Boy here and
please talk like that, I can hear.
Episode. So let's go.
What's up? Oh yeah, we're gonna rob again.
I'm gonna rob because I need more money.
Oh, we have to go to the Los Santos.
Wait, let me go. Why? Why are we going
to hide from the police, of course.
It's already gone.
Yeah, no. Oh no, I crashed.
Oh, your ads give unlucky things.
No. It's you. I'm helping you drive away, stupid. Oh yeah, it's time to go for this.
Why did I hang suddenly? Oh. What the? Woo! You can't get in Los Santos.
I can.
See?
I'm just gonna go one round and then boom. See? And then we secretly get in.
Isn't your edit strong?
It failed.
And you just can't go in.
Oh yeah. Come on.
Oh, the cops are still in there. Oh, the cops are gonna go in. There's a cop there. Damn it.
They can't see me. Please let me go in. Oh yeah. Why is your screen so black?
Oh yeah, because mine's more gleaming than yours.
Oh yeah, let's do. Let's go another shop. Are you ready? Okay.
Can I drive this time? Wait, I can just. No, don't! I want to drive this time. Okay, get in the car.
Hey!
I'm good at driving.
No, you suck at driving.
Why would I even be buying a Bentley when I'm sucking at driving?
Because you can't drive supercars.
I can. See, I can even avoid.
Oh, stop! 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 I need to sell that car, stupid! Go back, go back. I'm stealing that car. See, you don't listen to orders. Great, thanks to your help, it's gone. Thank you, stupid.
Which one?
It is gone. The car that I need. Oh no.
Whoa.
You seriously suck at this.
No, stop. You're supposed to be friendly in my channel.
No.
Oh, really? You're supposed to be wilderness.
Yeah, so I'm wild.
Oh, so
When I
wild.
say stop, you better stop because this is my car and I can kill you for that. Oh. I'm just gonna kill you straight away.
No! Dude.
My hood! You suck so much.
Yeah, I suck. It put me as good, but
It doesn't even know how to control a hood.
I just don't want the hood to fly off. So I'm going backwards.
So it's still your fault.
I know.
I'm gonna kill you. Okay, stop! I want this car!
Oh, this car?
Wow, I have to really say you suck at this.
You mean this car?
Yeah.
The supercars are too fast.
No, you suck at supercars.
Oi!
Why do you talk Singlish?
Oi. Oh, I mean not oi.
What?
Okay.
Jesus Christ! Where's my Bugatti?
Oh, I'm driving it.
Wow! Can you drive to Los Santos and fetch me? That's my car. I have the rights.
Oh, you better repair this car. See, you sound like driving old cars. But you
because he knocked it, so I might as well just crash it.
Oh, and your hood come up. And I mean your trunk. It's flying. Sorry, that was my... I don't know my
I'm
grandpa.
gonna get in, I'm gonna get in.
My grandpa. Yeah, sorry. Hope you don't mind. Hope you don't mind. Oh! Oh!
Seriously?
Seriously? So did I do?
A bit.
Yeah, cause I managed to drive it sideways. Stay away from me, please.
Are you there yet?
Yep.
Okay, my turn to take over the driver. Wow! My turn. Get out.
Wait, I'm not there yet. Okay, I'm close it. I'm close. Ah! What the? What the? What am I doing?
When are you gonna stop crashing my car?
Now?
Now?
Now! Yeah, now. I'm gonna start drifting and avoid you.
Come on! What are you doing?
We're here.
Get out.
I'm gonna rock the shop.
Hold on. Come on first. Let me give you a gun so that you can use. It's kind of a punch gun. There you go. Bye.
I hate you.
Lol. Oh, what kind of shop is this? It's red in color.
Of course it's...
Red wood. Oh, it is red wood. Is it?
Don't take the money again!
I'm not. I'm gonna stand here, okay?
Stand far away, if not I will show you.
Look at my new dragon tattoo. Look at me.
Don't!
Can I
Don't!
empty this thing?
Please! Come on, quick. Okay, go!
Oh, let me drive.
Oh, it's still
I can kill the
so
stupid.
stubborn.
Oh my god!
I told you so.
Kill that guy, please. Get in and kill that guy.
How do I kill that guy? There's cops already! Really? There's cops already, I have to run.
Okay, bye.
Oh no, you shoot one of your tires. It didn't.
Don't let it explode.
I will not let down your Bugatti.
I died in there. He's gonna die.
I'll give you a lift. Oh man! Where are you? I have to go. Okay, stay there. Stay where you are.
Where's the freaking dude? Did he run away?
Maybe he ran away.
Oh man. I'm gonna kill him.
I'll give you a lift.
It's okay, get out of the vehicle.
Wait. Hey, don't let me down! Hey, don't let me down! Don't let me down! Don't let me down! Don't let me down! I hate you!
That's for abandoning me just now. Oh my god!
You're absolutely the worst brother
No,
ever.
you let my...
Worst!
Hi.
Great.
Wait, now my Bugatti is busted and I... Oh! I didn't mean to do that, get in.
You're getting in the wrong car already.
Wow. Are you serious? No, I'm gonna shoot you if you do that.
Oh! You just keep getting in and getting up. I'm gonna drive my first car. This was okay. Never mind. The camera.
Oh my god! When did it fall?
Now.
You just saw it?
Yeah. Hey, you didn't put it properly. Okay.
No,
this was actually This was actually my first car. So I'm good at driving my first car.
No, you're not. You can't even avoid me banging you.
Oh, cause your car is faster.
Boom, baby!
Oh well played. Well played.
Wow, playing tricks on me, eh? Oh, I forget that you are a bounty. Game on.
Hey, don't! I don't want to be a bounty.
Oh, there's a freaking truck over there.
But don't kill me, please.
I'm not gonna kill you.
Don't! Oh, they're not friendly anymore.
I'm being friendly because I'm trying to block the police.
Really?
Yeah, I am.
Ow! You aren't supposed to kill me.
Oh!
I'm good at driving my first car. And my first car was actually red, but this was black in color, so I don't mind.
Whoa! Did you see the epic crash?
I didn't.
Oh,
Come on. I need to get back to my house.
I'm not the police.
Can you, I don't know why you're saying it police, but I think it's a better way to say cops. Woo!
I'm getting closer and closer. Everything's gonna be perfect.
Really?
Yeah. Oh no.
Well, I'm really good at driving my first car.
So do you want to keep it?
Nah.
No.
Nah, it's quite slow by the way.
You suck at this.
It's slow, that's why.
Woo!
Oh! I didn't expect you was gonna come.
Ah.
Okay, I think the cops won't find me like that.
But I can find you. Oh no. Shit. I'm getting caught.
Live caught on camera. How did the cop even manage to come up?
The cop is stuck.
No, he's following me in the car park. And now he's gone. Yeah, I'm gonna do this time by the way. 1, 2.
I wanna see. Wait. Oh, come on, you.
I didn't do it.
Wait, where is it? I don't see you. Where are you? Oh, let's jump down together. Hold on.
Let's just stand and jump there.
Okay.
3.
When the police are out, then we jump.
No, cops.
Yeah. When they come out, then we go. Hold on.
They won't come out. They will never. They can't even find us.
We wait for the cops to be gone first.
It's gone. My
Okay,
gone.
see you guys in the next video.
See you guys in our next video. We're gonna do a stand.